This video will demonstrate how to create an account for the new Service Clarington portal. First, open your internet browser. You can use any browser you like, but Google Chrome is the preferred internet browser for Service Clarington. Go to the Service Clarington website by typing in the navigation bar service.clarington.net and hit enter on your keyboard. This will bring you to the main home screen. Click on the large button that says Registered User. You may have to scroll down the page a little bit to see this button, depending on the size of your screen. On the next page, click the green button that says Create an Account. This will bring you to the next screen where you can fill in all of your information. The fields that are mandatory are tagged as a required field. In this first section, you must fill in your first name, last name, and email address. In the next section, you can fill in up to 3 different phone numbers. And finally, your mailing address information. Note that these are required fields. Please note that this information is collected under the authority of Section 11 of the Municipal Act 2001 and will be used to respond to your application or submission. Once you click the Submit button, the confirmation screen will instruct you to check your email to complete the next step. You can click Continue to bring you back to the main home screen. The next step is to check your email. Be sure to check your junk mail folder if the email does not appear in your inbox. Before you click the link in the email, be sure to copy the registration PIN for the next step. You can right-click and hit Copy. Now click the link. In the browser window that pops up, your email address is already populated in the email address field. And now you can paste the PIN number that you copied from the email. Right-click, Paste. Then click Verify PIN. The next screen will prompt you to create a password. Please note the minimum password requirements at the top of the screen. When you're ready, click Submit. Your password has been successfully set. Now you can log in with your new password. Click the OK button to bring you back to the home screen. Now you can log in with your new Service Clarington account. Type in your email and your password. Then log in. If you have any questions about creating a new Service Clarington account, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can also visit www.clarington.net/serviceclarington for more resources.